Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add files to the secure folder on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, open up the secure folder. Then, to add more files, tap on the more button at the top. From the pop-up, tap on Add Files. Next, choose the type of files that you want to add. So here we've got images, videos, audio, documents, or simply My Files. So if you tap on My Files, this will allow you to choose any type of files that you want to add to the secure folder. So for example, I'm going to choose, say, documents. So we tap on the documents category, and then simply go down the list and choose the documents that you want to add, and then tap on done, and then you have the option to copy or move them. Move them will remove the file from the actual folder outside of the secure folder and then move it into your to the folder inside the secure folder. So I'm going to copy in this case. Tap on copy, and that's it. The file has been copied. Now you can open up My Files in the secure folder and tap on allow, then tap on documents, and here you'll be able to see the two files that I have just copied over. And that is how you can add files to your secure folder. If you want to add in gallery, you can also do that as well. So you can tap on add files, and then you can choose images, and here you can choose the image that you want to add. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.